I am Enrico Biraschi, one of the founding partners of Mediterranea Biotechnology, the first born from an idea in 1992, in the area of biotechnology that supports changes in food production. Following 8 years of hard work on collaborations that made the idea a reality, we began production in 2000 of starter cultures for dairy products.
I am Roberto Gagliardi, founding partner and scientific director of Mediterranea Biotechnology. At Mediterranea, there was not only the production side, but also the research and development aspect. Mediterranea is the pioneer of the group of companies that now work in synergy, represented by Hub for Nutrition. It is the manufacturing firm where all products are produced. This is where all the products are produced before they hit the market. Over the years, it has grown. It has specialized in production to improve processes and ensure reliable products in terms of performance. In line with the main quality specifications, we have acquired and internalized important certifications. The FSSC is about complying with food safety regulations according to ISO 22000. It has further qualified itself with important religious certifications to access markets such as those kosher and halal products.
The start of the activity initially took place in a local context, being born in a region closely connected to dairy production. It then grew throughout the country, and we soon felt the need to target a global market through strong internationalization.
Regarding product ranges, we started with the historical range, which relates to starters and all products used in dairy processing.
The same internationalization has led us to encounter completely different realities and contexts, making us feel the need to address needs that differ from one market to another. This vision has guided us strategically to establish what we refer to as the M&B method. In other words, Mediterranea Biotechnology method. This method is built on 3 key ideas. We innovate, we test, and we guarantee. Innovation can have different meanings: understanding needs, directing research, and creating products that fulfill those needs. The implementation of the M&B method and internationalization have led us to the need to create partnerships in every territory we approach. This need led to the establishment of Igea, the organization, which encompasses the technical support skills, assistance, and logistics like a multinational, but retaining the flexibility of a medium-sized business close to its clients.
Another important focus of our research activities is, of course, the development of production processes that are constantly updated in a logic of continuous improvement.
The dairy pilot plant also serves the IGEA network, where training courses are regularly held for our partners, technicians, and clients. They are offered the availability and opportunity to use the experimental dairy in order to diversify into new productions.
These activities have increased and specialized to the point that we have also defined industrial patents.
International success has made the birth of Scienzanova appropriate, a reality dedicated to research and development.
Scienzanova, our innovative startup, complements the M&B method as it is embedded in the organization that leads development and innovation, because it appears at both ends of these processes. It forms the scientific basis for the corporate scientific culture, aiming for improved formulation finalization first, then commercial products. We innovate since the technological development site is connected to a strong focus on innovation and research. We conduct tests because new technologies and innovations need verification, and we ensure that based on the results achieved, not only through laboratory and in vitro tests, we have a precise measure of what we achieve and can guarantee to the client. The challenges that the modern market presents today are also related to sustainability. First of all, at the production level, we have installed a photovoltaic system and can absorb almost 30% of the production with self-generated energy that is almost entirely consumed for production activities. We have always paid special attention to training aspects, whether through doctoral programs or funding scholarships, to improve our qualifications and interact with the universities, not just for educational goals, and to provide greater opportunities also concerning the local area. Training has developed further today, even in a domain related to high school, because through the experimental diary situated inside an agricultural technical school enables us to engage with the high school students